If you have a tablet that does not turn on, here you will find the solution to turn it on again. Here I have a tablet that I bought for parts and it won't turn on. But it has a powerful battery of 6800 milliamps that I still need. So let's disassemble the tablet and start the procedure. I will skip the disassembly steps because each tablet is different. We remove the cover above the battery connector. Now we have access to the battery wires. The multimeter shows 2.6 volts, but we need 3.7 volts. 3.5 volts is also good. Before we forcefully charge the battery, we must remove the substance that isolates the battery contacts if necessary. To charge the battery, we need a USB cable cut in two and adapted, so that we can weld the cable wires to the battery contacts. Now it should look like this, so we can start charging the battery. Keep the battery connected to the charger for 7 minutes and disconnect for 1 minute and repeat. It will get a little hot, but if you solder the wires properly, red to red and black to black, it will be fine. Gradually, the voltage increases. The multimeter shows 3.08 volts after the first 7 minutes, so we reconnect the battery to the charger. Later, we have 3.23 volts. 3.34 volts. 3.39 volts. Now we have 3.48 volts and we can stop charging. We will connect the battery to the tablet, and if it starts, we will be able to charge it from the tablet USB port. Now I will try to power it on from the mainboard pinouts, but you can try the power button. Now you can desolder the USB wires from the battery. Connect the battery and the job is done. As you can see, now I am able to power on the tablet I bought for parts. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it.